Daniel. Moved to Woodland Park last April. I have one daughter, 4 years old, named Ellie. So I'm originally from Jacksonville, but because of work, I was living in San Diego for about 4 years before I moved here. And my cousin, who's like a brother, and one of my best friends lived here in Nocatee, and I visited one time, I think around 2017, and fell in love with the area. When my daughter was turning 4, we decided to move back to be closer to family, and again, Nocatee was still in my crosshairs, and started looking and found Woodland Park, and it was a new build, freshly available, and I jumped on the unit that I found. Nocatee seemed like its own little world. The pools, the family activities. I just wanted that for my daughter, and I wanted that just for myself too. You know, it was just a very welcoming community. I could tell right off the bat. The townhouse I own, it had just everything I wanted. The open floor plan, the bedrooms. The one I have has the flex bedroom downstairs, as I work from home mostly. So it's a half playroom for my daughter and half office.
Hey, Elsa. What are you doing? You having fun?
Yeah.
Did you ride your bike?
Yeah.
Oh, you waited to be a hero. Okay. How are you?
One of the things also I think is the landscape and the setup that they have laid out these units in. You know, we have a good view of the woods in the back, and a nice cul-de-sac to walk my daughter down with her, you know, her bicycle, and there's just a lot of things. This is what I was looking for. She's learning so much. She's growing so much. I see her just opening up and learning so much. I think it's because of this area, even all the friendly neighbors I have in this neighborhood. Look forward to them throwing up more buildings and getting to know more people.